Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 5th episode of Ellen's Juneteenth series. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all a strawberry pie. And I've done this recipe a few years ago here on my channel. But that recipe, I used strawberry gelatin. This time, we're going to use all natural ingredients. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And the best part, it is no bake. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect to serve not only for Juneteenth, but all summer. Great to serve at your BBQ Cookouts, fish fries, and crawfish boils. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Red Velvet Pound Cake. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your sugar, your pie crust, and your fresh strawberries sugar, because we're about to make some strawberry pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our strawberries. In my colander, I have 1 quart, which is 2 pints or 2 pounds of fresh strawberries that I rinsed. Look how pretty and red they are. Gorgeous. So using my knife, we're going to cut the tops. Alright, so now we're going to use a spoon and we're going to remove the middle. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my strawberries and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I've got all my strawberries together. Now we are ready to assemble the pie. We're going to take half of the strawberries and place it into my pie crust. And I'm using a 9-inch deep dish baked pie crust. But I have a recipe for a homemade pie crust. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. Or you can use a refrigerated pie crust. Now we're going to take the other half of the strawberries and place them into my saucepan. Now we're going to make the glaze. I have my fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And all we do is bring it to a boil. And while our strawberries is coming to a boil, let's make our slurry. In my bowl, I have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of water. Give it a stir until it's well combined. And just that quickly, our slurry is complete. Now let's check on our strawberries. Our strawberries has came to a boil, so now we're going to add in the slurry and give it a quick mix. So now I'm going to cut my fire down to simmer. And we're going to let the strawberries cook until they're thickened. About 10 minutes. And stir it constantly. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends. Our strawberry glaze is nice and thick. See? That looks great. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of fresh strawberries. So now there's one more thing we got to add to it. 1½ teaspoons of pure strawberry extract. More strawberry flavor. And stir until it's well blended. So now I'm going to switch my spatula to my potato masher. We're going to mash up the strawberries. You don't want to mash it too fine. You still want just a little chunk of strawberry. Okie dokie, my friends, our glaze is complete. Now we are ready to pour it into our pie crust on top of the strawberries. Alrighty, so all we do now is place the pie in the refrigerator. We're going to let it chill overnight until the glaze firm up. And I'll see you tomorrow. Alright my friends, it's the next day, See how nice and firm our pie is? Excellent. So now there's one more thing we gotta add to it. In my piping bag with a starred piping tip, I have my whipped cream, and this is my homemade whipped cream recipe. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box, and we're just gonna pipe it all around. So now I'm gonna pipe a big dollop of whipped cream in the middle, and we're gonna add a strawberry right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh strawberry pie. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to cut me up a slice, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The strawberries is nice and firm, and the pie crust is perfectly cooked. Oh, I'm in strawberry heaven. Cool and refreshing. This strawberry pie is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Strawberry pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Juneteenth.